Hello and welcome back to another game, another day for this game development journey, and today we are going to continue removing this function finite state machines from my game, and I hope to remove all of them as soon as possible. Actually yesterday I managed to remove one and two of them, but while removing one of them I saw an event system running between three of these finite state machines, and that's why today I'm going to continue on removing the other two finite state machines from this game also. So let's go and start as soon as possible, because I really do not have too much for today in order to working on this project. So let's see where we have left. And these are the events that are called from this chapter state machine. This script runs when the chapters are changing. So can I close it down? Just close it, yes. Okay, so let's continue where we left off. Actually I managed to rewrite this chapter FSM, but in order to keep it consistent I also wanted to change. I also wanted to make the changes for the other two function state machines, which depends on this events, which also depends on this events. And one of them is this new game GUI, and the other one is the character function finite state machine. So let's continue from here. No, this is wrong. This is chapter new game GUI. New game GUI. Here we are. So let's do the same thing. Let's add this enums first and continue from there. But what was the usage of this finite state machine? Actually it just updates. It looks like it's just updating. If the update came with it, okay, this is irrelevant because it does not have any usage of this blackboard inside this finite state machine. So I will just continue removing this thing, remove components, and now we are good to go. Let's continue over this character finite state machine. Where are you? Blackboard. Okay. Game update the game object. Update on chapter 3. Chapter 1. On chapter 2. On chapter 3. Chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Okay. Let's just add this finite state machine. Not in here, but under this chapter state machine, because I already have a reference of character movements in here. So character function FSM setup. Okay, if it's character FSM setup on game start position, this is also a public. Okay, if chapter state machine game start position, first let's generate a reference. Character FSM setup, character FSM setup, find align game starts on game starts position. Chapter 1 on chapter 2 on chapter 3 on chapter 4. Also, if this isn't, or if this character FSM setup is null, find object of type, copy here. Let's copy this over here also. Just also remove this, remove the blackboard, remove component, and one other function state machine is gone. Also, let's just remove this guy. So what else I have still in my hands? The behavior trees, I guess. Only the behavior trees are left. Let's continue with the mouse behavior tree. Run chief sequence. Okay, this is just a sequence from left to right. And blackboard value. Yes, I finally have an error. Start your animation. Joining this geosequence. Let's just generate a boolean for geosequence boolean. Looks like I do not have any start false. Then gets over here. Set it to true. If trigger is true, to geosequence. First thing first, if trigger run geosequence is not true, return as a guard close guard. Else disable input true. Just copy. This has wait section, so I enumerated echo routine will be better. Disable input true and do camera move. Target position offset. New vector 3, 5, 10, minus 5.5, 0. Camera movements. Yield return new. Wait for seconds. 1 seconds. Then printf and do chief animation. Yield 4 seconds. Do camera move back to original position. Then wait for another 2 seconds. Save after shift cubes. And disable input false. Also run chief sequence set to false. Starts coroutine to chief sequence. Yep, this is also looking good. Let's try this one with chief sequence. Remove. Okay, input is not working. Soil type increase. Okay, this is problem. None is player hunt. Check if not need something. Okay, whatever. Let's just also. I really needed to test this. Next. Okay, the animation is working. So let's continue on removing the other blackboards. I have one of them left in this weapon section, and digest button called my weapon blackboard is over here. A variable here, private boolean don't alt equals true. Does it all? If trigger digest button called. Okay, in here this is called at listener trigger digest button called. Let's do a IE as do after digest button called. If digest button is called, move camera closer. 33, 4 is 2, with new vec 3, 0, minus 30. Okay, since my girls are awake, I had to stop over here and finish the recording for today, because I'm also a dad and I have dad duties. That's why I will try to continue on tomorrow. And have a nice day, and that's all for today.